Hi, I'm Elisa Pacelli and welcome to episode 2 of Learn My Mac. Today we're going to be talking about Preview. The Preview application is used on the Mac to read PDF files and open images. As you can see right here, there's a PDF that I downloaded from Sears, just a little preventive maintenance checklist, and you can see it's 2 pages, which you can see up at the top, page 1 of 2. It's got the PDF suffix at the end, and I can open up the sidebar, so right here I can see how many pages are in my PDF. However, there's other uses for PDF, and we're going to talk about one today with screenshots. So I'm going to open up my browser, and here is a website that has some recipes, and this looks like an interesting chicken recipe that I would like to keep. So what I will do is I will go back to Preview, close this, and I will go to File, Take Screenshot, from Selection. Now you can see the crosshairs. I'm going to click down, and as you can see here, I'm just selecting the area that I want to keep, and here we are. Here's my selection already saved, and I'm going to close this up. Now what I can do is just leave it the way it is, or I can annotate it. So I'm going to click the Annotate button. I'm going to click on the arrow, and I'm just going to draw a little line like this to point to my recipe. And it's blue because, as you can see here, that's the color I chose, blue. Now I want to put a little note. So I'm going to click the text box, and I'm going to draw a box like that. And I'm going to click on I can either start typing right now, or I can click on the font, and I'm going to click handwriting, and I want it to be 14 point. And I'm going to start typing. This looks like a good recipe. That's a little small, so I'll highlight, and maybe I'll click 18. Okay, that looks like a good size. I'll close out my fonts. If I don't like the color, I can just go here, and maybe I will change it to purple. Nope, a little bit light. How about orange? Okay, and here we are. Now I want to save this. So I go to File, Save As, and I'm just going to call it Recipe. And here I can choose if I want to save it to my desktop or if I want to save it somewhere else on my computer, but that's fine on my desktop. It automatically saves as a PNG file, but I can change that to a JPEG, or I can save it as a PDF if I'd like. In fact, why don't we do that? Let's save it as a PDF, and we'll hit Save. And there we go, and you can see it's now saved as a PDF file. I can then email this if I want to. If I want to send it to somebody else, I can email it. I can print it. I'm ready to go. And I'm thinking about making this for dinner tonight, so that's the end of this episode. I'm going to go work on this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time on Learn My Mac.